This exercise is called the hip hinge or the deadlift. To use proper posture and form with this exercise, it's nice to use a broom handle or a cane. So keeping 3 contact points through the head, shoulders, and tailbone ensures proper form. So keeping the legs straight and shoulder width apart, you're going to hinge at the hips forward until you feel a little tension back here in your hamstrings, and then slowly back up. Incorrectly performed, patients typically round their shoulders and lose the contact point here at the tailbone. So go ahead and come back up. One more time, bend forward at the hips, keeping the contact point through the head, shoulders, and hips.